as you all know, Bali is really good to see the people riding on the bikes, and I do see a lot of them with a lot of passion, kind of, riding through, and love seeing them guys. And it gives a complete different vibe. It's not definitely like your Thailand or Goa. It's a complete different scenic, right? They have a lot of Yamahas in here. Oh, there you go. It's pretty good to see these different style of lifestyle here, and I see everyone are kind of peaceful. There's no I don't see anyone kind of thinking anything. They're just having fun. I'm not sure if they're high on something, or maybe Bali is making them high. They're so relieved and then calm. That's all I can understand from their body language right now. So there you go guys. So I got my nasi goreng. It looks amazing. That's my oat milk shake, and then the tapioca chips, which is over. So I'm gonna munch on to it right now. See you all later. Bye bye. So guys, this is the road towards the art museum / you find a lot of stuff like this clothing and all that. So it's not just art stuff that you find, it's an art market they call it, but I see a lot of different types of things also here. You have a lot of souvenirs here guys, and these are very unique. There's a massage center there. And these people are very accommodating, plus the way how they show their hospitality is just commendable. Say hi! There's this fishes here for some spa. And this is the most famous traffic, Bali traffic. Oh, there's some cool stuff here as well. Some sort of mart. And there is a lot of fruits, man. Especially their coconut is really good. It's really huge as well, as you can see here. That's more like a art site. Just look at the architecture, man. Like, oof. It's pretty dope. As you guys can see the structure, how they have. Oof. Just love it, this place.
C'est là où le soir t'as des danses et tout.
As you guys can see, this is how it is, the tourist spot. It's the Ubud Art Market. So you do get a bunch of stuff here. They have a mixu. Oh, pretty good stuff. Yeah. Oh, wow. you do have to bargain a lot here. If not, you ain't making any deal.
Yo no tengo, la que lleva el dinero.
We have a bunch of stuff here and no price tags, guys, so that's where you need to know that you need to bargain like a champ. I do want to buy a couple of, the souvenirs and all that, but then I don't find any price tag on it. It's pretty crowded as well. A lot of art stuff, and I think that's why it is called art exhibition / center.
Ja. Wachten we even, gaan we door. Ja. Nog even wachten.
We kunnen wachten.
Pretty cool that they have a lot of rip-offs as well, but then I'm more inclined towards the local stuff that they have here.
What is that?
I'm just continuing, guys, like there's a lot. Let's just check. It's clothing. As you can see, there's a lot of clothing stuff here, especially for ladies. Yeah, so let me know what you all think. Are you planning to come to Bali and get some stuff like this, or enjoy what we have and then leave? There's some good statues right here. This is pretty cool. A lot of dresses, lady stuff. I think I'll probably go to the next floor that we have. So there's a staircase here, so I'm just climbing this right now. It's like a path to dungeon, but definitely not. So again, continues lady stuff.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And then it goes. Okay, a bunch of stuff here. A lot of art, pictures, paintings. A lot of paintings, guys, here. See a lot of jerseys as well here. Pretty cool stuff. See? Actually want to ask the prices of this, but then I don't think this is the right place to ask.
Salam po, salam.
Sorry.
Ayan, dito gede.
Rubber apa?
Ay, mudah yun.
Apa? Single double XL naman single XL.
These artwork, guys. These are pretty cool stuff they have here. There's some sort of amazing artwork. It's all the lady stuff. Sorry. Okay, and that's the outside area. I feel like they could have optimized this kind of mall slash, you know, the setting a little bit better by not having this round and round.
Yeah. Yeah. Look more. Yeah.
A lot of art again here, as you can see, guys.
Mensa for you.
Hey. Thank you. Yeah.
For you like this.
Oh, these art are pretty dope. Yeah. Thank you. I gotta say thank you at least like zillion times here because they keep, I mean, you know, coming behind me to kind of ask how, if I want to get something or not, all that stuff, right? So pretty cool, man. So that's it, guys, for the vlog today. And if you guys liked it, ensure you hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, right? Thank you so much again for watching.